Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Way to Learn. I am Shalja Tripathi and today's topic of discussion is transportation in plants. See, in plants, diffusion process is not sufficient to provide raw material in leaves and energy in roots. Hence, there is need of proper transport system. Since why diffusion process is not sufficient, the reason is this process is very slow. Next point of importance is energy need of plant is low as they do not move and they have large proportion of dead cells as compared to animals. Thus, they can use relatively slow transport system. Next, plants have to transport over large distance such as very tall trees. And what is the mechanism for transportation that we'll see in a short while. So there are two pathways of independently organized conducting tubes called xylem and phloem. You have already studied in your previous class that xylem helps in the transportation of water and minerals from soil to the upper part of the plant. And phloem conducts the prepared food material in the leaves and amino acid and few metabolites from the leaves to different parts of the plant. Now we will see transportation of water and minerals in the plant. See, transport of water and minerals in the plant take place in xylem tissues. See, these xylem tissues are made up of xylem vessels and xylem tracheids. These xylem vessels and tracheids of roots, stem and leaves are interconnected and they form a continuous system of channel reaching all parts of the plant. So one must be clear that these xylem vessels of root, stem and leaves are interconnected and they are forming a continuous system of channel or network. Next, there are two theories to explain this transport of water. First is root pressure theory and another is transpiration pull theory. Root pressure theory we'll discuss in a while. This explains the use of ATP molecules, that is energy is required in the process, whereas transpiration pull is a passive force, that is no energy is required. See, in the transpiration pull we must understand that transpiration is a process where water is lost in the form of water vapor from the upper part of the plant. So during daytime, as the water is lost through the stomata present on the leaf surface by transpiration, more water is pulled up due to suction force from xylem cells of roots. So when the water is being lost through the surface of the leaf, a suction pull is created and this helps to pull water in the xylem cells of the roots. See, it is a passive force since no energy is required, no energy of the plant cell is used up in the process. During night and early morning when the transpiration rate is very low, then effect of root pressure is the major factor in transportation of water and minerals. While during daytime when transpiration rate is high, this transpiration pull is the major driving force. So for the transportation of water and mineral, you need to understand that these two theories are part of your curriculum. Okay. Next, another most important question that is often asked is role of transpiration. Give two roles of transpiration. One is the transpiration pull, the force that is created to move the water upward from the soil, then into the roots, root cell and into the upper part of the plant. And another most important point of is that transpiration helps to regulate temperature of the surrounding. Since water is being lost in the form of water vapor, so it is taking energy from the environment and making it cooler. So thus it helps to cool down the surrounding atmosphere. Thank you so much.